Yes, students, really happy. Today I'm going to take one problem in unit number 4. In the unit number 4, we know that it is an interpolation formula. What is an interpolation? We know already, am I correct? So that is what we are going to discuss today. Now let us take this okay, now let us take now suppose these are two values given to us. Now look at that in the table. X is an independent variable, y is an dependent variable. Suppose x takes a value 1, y takes a value 2, and if x takes a value suppose 3, y takes a value 5. If x takes a value 7, y takes a value 15, and if x takes a value suppose 10, then what is the value of y? What is the value of y? Okay, or we can say that suppose x takes a value 10, what is the value of y? Suppose it is equal to some 17. Now our question is that if x equals 4, then what is y? When x equals 4, what is y? What's the corresponding value of y? I mean, when the independent variable takes a value 4, what is the value of the dependent variable? Can you understand? X values are given, for corresponding y values also given, but 4 is not given here. It is not in the range of x. So what would be the value of y? Okay, so in such a situation, what we call interpolation ideas are used. Interpolation ideas are used when x values will be given, y values will be given for some values, but for unknown value of x, what would be the value of y? They will ask. Okay, in such a type of problem, we call it as interpolation problem. That's called what? Interpolation problem. Okay, so we will take such one type of problem, and we will be discussing by what is called LaGrange's. The mathematician found out the formula to find out the interpolated value. Okay, that is what we have to understand. Now look at this. Now a data will be given to us. As I already told you, the x values will be given, and we have to find the corresponding y values for which x is not in the range. Take for example, here I can take this using LaGrange's formula, fit a polynomial to the data given below, and find the value of f when x equals 3. That is what the problem here. Okay, right. Now what are the x values? -1, 1, 2. The corresponding y values: when x takes -1, y takes 7. When x takes 1, y takes 5. When x takes 2, y takes 15. Now the value of x, that is 3, is not given here in this interval. So we are asked to find out what is the value of x. what's the value of y, that is f, when x equals 3. Here y means what? Here y means f. Okay, now look at that. Here the formula is that this one, this is the LaGrange's interpolation formula. Y equals f of x equals x minus x1 into x minus x2 divided by x naught minus x1 x naught minus x2 into y naught plus x minus x naught into x minus x2 divided by x1 minus x naught x1 minus x2 y1 and plus x minus x naught x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x naught into x2 minus x1. So now look at the table here. In this particular table, x naught is minus 1. This is x naught, x1, x2 like that. So x naught is minus 1, x1 is 1, x2 is 2. Okay, now corresponding values, that is y naught equals 7, y1 equals 5, y2 equals 15. Okay, so this we have to take x naught, x1, x2. The corresponding values are y0, y1, y2. So this is what we have here. Now substitute in this particular formula, LaGrange's interpolation formula. All these values substitute here. For x1 substitute minus 1, for x2 substitute 2, x1 substitute 1, x2 substitute 2, and x1 also substitute 1, and x2 substitute 2, x0 substitute minus 1, y0 substitute 7, here x0 substitute minus 1, x2 substitute 2. So if you substitute in this particular formula, okay, you will get one polynomial. Okay, simplify this, multiply this and this, x into x square, x into minus to 2x, like that. If you simplify that, what you will get is this, you will get, okay, 7 by denominator will come 6 into x square minus 3x 2x minus 2x minus x minus 3x minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 minus, similarly 5 by 2 here, 2 into 1 2 into multiply this and this, will get x square minus x minus 2, last term here 15 will come there. The denominator what you will have is that of 2 plus 3, you will get 3 is 1. We can strike out this and this, will get 5 into x square minus 1 you will get. Okay, right, substituting all these, simplify, you will get, this is called polynomial, corresponding polynomial by LaGrange's method. So substituting the values, you will get this, but what we need is that here what they are asking, what's the value of f when x equals 3. So the value of f of x, we have that 1 by 3 into 11x square minus 3x plus 7. Substitute in this particular equation, you will get 1 by 3 into 11 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 7. Simplify this, you will get one answer, that is the value of f when x equals 3. So this is the way we can do the LaGrange's interpolation formula. Okay, so in this particular video we talked about the interpolation method by LaGrange's. The corresponding value of y for given x we can find out. So thank you very much. Thank you.